First of all, connect your hub to the power. The red light will indicate that it's on. Next, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Download the Flic app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Create an account or log in through Facebook. Once you're in the Flic app, click on the Hub tab. And then, at the bottom, click on Add a new hub. A list of hubs in range will appear. Double-check the serial number on the back of your hub and choose that one. If you've connected to this hub before, you'll be asked to enter the password, which is also on the back of the hub. Next, choose which Wi-Fi network to connect your hub to. You can also use an Ethernet cable connected directly to the hub. Now you can choose your Flic Hub and add Flic buttons to it. To pair a new Flic button, choose Add Flic to Hub. Now you can configure this button to trigger hub-specific actions.